If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hi Photos family, today we are talking about temptations. In our hero story, the temptations of the hero are always the painstaking, the heartbreaking aspects and times of the story of, no, don't do that, don't go there, no. But they really differ from the challenges because the challenges are a stretching and a growing time. The challenges aren't bad, really, if you think about it. But the temptations, those are the hard parts because it's drawing, how do I say this? It's drawing on the hero's strength, energy, mental acuity, which say the strength, the ability to think clearly. I have a picture in my head and I really want to be sure that this is coming through clearly for you. Those temptations, I'm sure you can relate. They're drastic and they're heartbreaking. But it's not just a challenge of, okay, I've got to get stronger, but I'm tired, or I've got to get across this dangerous thing. The temptation is the adventure that we've been called to, or that your hero has been called to, is in danger. It's in jeopardy right now because we see or think that our objective could be completed sooner by doing something we or the hero knows isn't right, but is a failure of our adventure or journey's aspect, the true nature of what we need to accomplish. It's jeopardy layered on hardship, on challenge. So I could see where the struggle is to not understand the difference between challenge and jeopardy, or well, the challenge and temptation. But it not only brings in the level of danger from an outside element, but it draws on, and here's the big key, from my thinking about this and my experience, limited as may be, but it layers on the outside element of danger an element of inner danger. That, I think, is nowhere near giving you the depth of the detail, but it certainly draws out the distinction between it, of temptation and challenge. And for every good hero's journey, that story will layer in the challenges and the danger or the jeopardy of a challenge into a temptation, of the jeopardy outside layered on top with the jeopardy inside. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know what hero stories you like, which draw out the details between challenge and temptation. Give us a thumbs up so that other people can watch this and level up their skill in learning about storytelling and specifically the hero's journey. If you are not yet a subscriber, we would love to have your subscription and add you to our Photos family. Thank you so much. God bless.